Hey everyone, it's Scott again. Welcome to the Fairmont Hotel at the Vancouver International Airport. And I have got a basic room. I've stayed at this hotel a few times, actually probably 4 or 5 times in the past, and this is by far the smallest room I've ever had, but it is my fault because I did this on purpose. It was a little bit expensive this time, so I decided to save a little money and get a very basic room. I did get the double queen beds or double beds or whatever this is called. I didn't need it, but you know, it's still a very decent room. And I will say that the other rooms that I had, they were a little bit more suite-like, whereas the bathroom was its own separate, it was down its own hallway and down around a corner, and the main area seemed a little bit bigger. But yeah, this is standard hotel room. And it's not bad, you know, for an airport hotel or for any kind of basic hotel. This is quite good. And, you know, I did say that I paid as little as possible for this room, and it wasn't very, I don't know what's going on this weekend, but, or this week. Today is a Tuesday, and I think this was almost $350. So, yeah, I guess that's what you pay for the convenience of staying directly at the airport. But anyway, this is really nice. I'm liking this. It's very moody in here. All the lights are on, and it's very dark. I kind of like it. It's it's probably a little bit too dark for some people. It is daytime right now. It is approximately 3 p.m. I've got the blinds shut, and that just goes to show you how much these blinds knock back all the light. So yeah, a quick tour. Nespresso machine, right off the bat. I get a lot of questions about that. Whenever I stay in a hotel room, people want to know what the coffee situation is. And here it is Nespresso, and I think there's some coffee bits and parts underneath there. But yeah, so desk, TV, and then down here we've got mini bar, and then I guess, yeah, there's more mini bar stuff, and then there's where all the coffee bits are. Also, I asked when I checked in if there was complimentary bottled water in this room, and he did say yes. There's one glass bottle, and he did say that there is a filtered water outlet next to the refrigerator. There is no refrigerator in this room. So, okay, quick edit here. I just did some research, and there is actually filtered water, but it's in the ice room. You got to go out. It's not in the room. There's a filtered water machine down the hall at the ice station. So that's a little bit inconvenient. I'd prefer to have that in the room, but oh well. What are you gonna do? So yeah, double, queen, twin beds, whatever you want to call them. It's nice. Little itty bitty chair in the corner there, and cool artwork, airplanes. I like that. Room service menu, probably very expensive. And then the bathroom. It's all open. These doors shut, obviously. Closet space here. That's all right. Robe situation's pretty good. We've got 2 robes, pretty thick too. That's nice. And then my stuff as usual, and nothing here in the entryway. And then shower, poop room, vanity, and tub. That's a huge tub. I've never seen a tub that long. Like that's you could lay down in that thing. If you're 6 feet tall, you could lay down all the way. That's very interesting. Towels are pretty good. Towel situation is decent, nice and thick. And then, yeah, shower looks pretty good. Very, very basic fixtures. Well, there you go. I guess that's all you need, right? And then usual soaps. I've seen those before. So, yeah, not a bad deal. Well, $350, but it's connected directly to the airport. You don't have to go outside. Just get off your plane and walk directly to the hotel. And it's not far. Very convenient. Oh, wait, we are not done yet. You want to see the view. This hotel actually has a great view of the airport and the airplanes. However, since I paid for a cheap room, this is all I got today. It is pretty though. It's like I said, it's early February. So a little snowy out there. Looks like it snowed very recently. There's snow on all the trees, and yeah, it's nice. Very cold, though. So yeah, now, that's it. Well, boy, that changes things. Now it's not so gloomy in here. That's kind of nice. All right, well, like I said, if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. I will get to them as soon as I can. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.